My name is Andrew Stroth. I'm a civil rights lawyer based in Chicago, and I run the Action Injury Law Group, which specializes in police brutality and police misconduct cases.
Can you tell us a little bit about the cases you have going on in the Chicago area?
So I represent over a dozen families whose sons have been shot, killed, or injured by the Chicago police, including Pierre Laurie, Jose Nieves, several Martise Milliner, several cases involving excessive force, as well as we represent families in Minnesota and Kenosha, Wisconsin, as well as the suburbs of Chicago, 3 cases in Zion, Illinois as well.
What advice would you give people to survive a police encounter?
I just think people got to be careful. They need to know their rights. We're actually going to send out something on our Truth, Open Justice platform that explains kind of know your rights. I just think you got to be careful and watchful. And I also think that in today's society, everything has changed because of the cell phone. So if you see something and you witness something, make sure you video it. You have those First Amendment rights, and you should do that.
In terms of engaging with the police after you've reported your the encounter, what advice would you give to report that encounter? Because a lot of people are intimidated. They don't feel safe going to a police department to report the police department. What advice would you have?
Well, my advice, they should go to the police department. In Chicago, there's something called the Independent Police Review Authority, which is an independent agency that takes police complaints. So if a city has that type of agency, go there. If not, go to the police department or the Bureau of Internal Affairs to report some incident against you by an officer. As well as you can go online. So I would go in person or online to complain about the officer.
And can you give us all of your social media handles and your website? And
So best way to reach me is our website is www.actioninjurylawgroup.com. Again, it's actioninjurylawgroup.com, and we're also on Facebook.
Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.